This 2024 CrossRoads Cruiser Aire CR22MRK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features a smoky tan interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.